Innoson Group of companies, founded in 1981 as a small spare part trading company, has grown into one of the biggest indigenous companies in West Africa. The Innoson Group currently comprises of Innoson Nigeria Limited, NEWI, manufacturers of motorcycles, tricycles, spare parts and accessories, Innoson Tech and Industries Co. Limited, Enugu, manufacturers of household and industrial plastics, health and safety accessories, storage containers, fixtures and fittings, electrical components and accessories. Innoson General Tires and Tubes Company Limited, Enugu, manufacturers of general tires and tubes. And finally, Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing, IVM, NEWI, manufacturers of high-capacity city buses, mini and midi buses, pickup trucks, and garbage collecting vehicles. The company, founded by Dr. Innoson Chukwuma, was born out of the need to prove that Nigerians can do well in the manufacturing business.
We are normal trader before we enter into manufacturing. Before we are into motorcycle and motor spare parts dealers at NEWI. But when we grew, we started motorcycle assembling. From motorcycle assembling, we think that we need to make a plastic plant to support the motorcycle assembling. Then we build this factory because we look and find out that motorcycle components has a lot of plastic components. So when you need you need 20,000 items to assemble motorcycle, you can produce it to 3-4 days. It will be okay for that month. So that's why we include other plastic things like plastic upholstery and other things here to keep the factory busy. After that, it helps us to drop the price of motorcycle down to 60,000. It is because of all these things we did. Now, after we stabilize on motorcycle assembling, we think of the motor. Today we have built motor plant and it's working very perfect and it's going very well. Now we have built a motor component plant which is supplying us some of the motor components we are using for our motor manufacturing. We have the plant somewhere there. And also we have a tire plant. Our tire plant, we started with motorcycle tire. After some time, we produce car tires, and also we go to the lorry tires. So we are developing it slowly, and it will get there.
The group currently employs over 3,000 people, with more than 90% of its workforce comprising of Nigerians. The group has an enviable track record with the following accomplishments. The first indigenous motor manufacturing company in Nigeria. The third largest branded motorcycle assembly company in Nigeria. Owners of the largest ceramic manufacturing factory in West Africa. The company currently has a yearly financial turnover of more than 3.6 billion naira. The group is also currently making inroads into other countries like Togo, Ghana, Sierra Leone, and is set to expand within the next 5 years.
What we are doing is not only for Nigeria, we are doing for Africa. My target is to have African market, not only Nigerian market, because I know I will have Nigerian market. Nigerian market is almost done. So now where we are pushing is to have African market, so that Africans will be buying Innoson products everywhere. Now we have started to export some motors to some of these African countries. And even some of the plastic, we are going to, some African countries are using our products. If you travel out of the Africa, you see some products from us. Nigeria is a virgin place for manufacturing. If we in Nigeria are ready to go into manufacturing, Nigeria is still a virgin place. I see manufacturing as a hobby. When I'm doing manufacturing, I'm happy with doing it. It is giving me joy that when I go to anywhere in this country, I will see my products moving around. It makes me to be happy. It is only Innoson is truly made in Nigeria, because you can only come to Nigeria and see Innoson. Anywhere you see Innoson brand, anywhere in the world, it goes from Nigeria to that country. But all these foreign brands is coming from that country. It is not really made in Nigeria. But Innoson is a brand that originated from Nigeria.